What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing really well and enjoying your weekend. And yeah, I am also having a 3 day long weekend due to the Thanksgiving in Canada. So I planned why not utilize this time to make some new tech videos. So, as you all know, after 3 days, Google is hosting their annual fall event in which they are about to launch their new hardware, and probably the center of attraction will be the new Google Pixel 4, which is the most leaked smartphone ever in the history of smartphone industry. I know you all might have seen the photos and the renders from Twitter or social media, but I have to cover all these things as a tech YouTuber, and yeah, today I'm here to discuss with you all what to expect in the Google's annual hardware event on October 15th. So let's roll the intro and get this video started. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So, probably the last major event of the so-called Techtober, the Google event, is expected to be a very nice and a very big event also, and people are having lots of hopes and speculations about the new launches, because this year's Google event will not only about the Pixel devices but also expect a lot of new hardware as well. So, starting with the showstopper now, the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL are expected to have a major hardware change, especially in the camera department. Yeah, guys, according to all the leaks and rumors till now, the new Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL are expected to have a dual rear camera setup just like the iPhone 11 design, and as you can see in the leaked images, the front side also will have the same design without bezel-less screen as you can see in the earlier Pixel devices. But this year, Google is very much utilizing the bezels, and they are expected to add the Face ID type of technology in their Pixel devices. So the face unlocking mechanism is surely going to get a huge major upgrade, and after 3 years, Apple is finally going to get a perfect competitor to its Face ID. Yeah, I know Huawei has also developed it 1 year ago, but who knows Huawei now? Google is not giving them support, and people of the North America and other countries are also not supporting them. So the Pixel is going to be the major device which is about to give a serious competition to the Face ID. Apart from this Face ID like technology, Google can also introduce many new camera tricks as well, like astrophotography mode, in which you can shoot the stars or the sky in the night, and some improvements in the portrait mode and in the night side also. But I think Google will mainly spend their most of the time in explaining the Face ID type of technology in the front end of the bezels. And according to the leaks and the video which Google posted some months ago, they are also working on some radar motion technology which they call Soli, according to which you can like swipe over the device and it can do some gesture type of work like skipping the songs or answering or disconnecting the calls. And this is also the technology which has not been seen in the leaked devices as well. So expect Google to surprise all of us with this technology on Tuesday. But now, moving forward from the bezel face technology and the cameras, Google is also expected to bring the whole new Google Assistant, which they have showcased at their I/O event in May. And the all new Google Assistant seemed to be very smooth, very fast, and it responds to your commands very quickly. So expect some new changes in the Google Assistant also. And if reports are considered to be correct, then you can also expect 5G in the new Pixel models, because a new report came which suggests that Google has started the production testing of the 5G technology, and analysts predict the new 5G technology can come as early as in the new Pixel devices. So now, moving from the Pixel devices to the other hardware, the new other expected hardware is the PixelBook Go. Yeah, in 2017, Google introduced their PixelBook, but it was not very successful, and many people also don't know about PixelBook till now. But after 2 years, Google is finally reviving its PixelBook again, and According to the rumors, its name will be the PixelBook Go, and 9 to 5 Google also got an leaked image of the PixelBook Go, which suggests the new pink type of color. And the PixelBook Go is also expected to have a 13.3-inch Full HD or 4K display with very good hardware, and you can also expect the Chrome OS in the PixelBook Go. Now, the other leaks are of the new Pixel Buds from the Google, and yeah, the Pixel Buds also don't have a good past because the AirPods are currently the most powerful and the most demanding earphones that you can buy in the market. But yeah, if Google can pull the new noise cancellation technology and the improved translation technology in their Pixel Buds along with a good pricing, then the rumored upcoming noise cancellation earpods can get a really serious competitor in the form of the Google Pixel Buds. So we can expect a good pair of earphones also from Google in their hardware event. Now the final rumored products according to the leaks, but they can't be the final products as we don't know what Google will exactly launch. But yeah, the final rumored products are the Google Nest Wi-Fi and the Google Nest Mini. The Google Nest Wi-Fi, which will be renamed from the Google Wi-Fi, will be the new Nest product under Google, which will work as the Wi-Fi mesh technology to give the Wi-Fi network to your entire hardware devices. And yeah, the Google Nest Mini, which was earlier the Google Home Mini, which Google is also giving away for free to many users as reported in the news today, is surely going to get a new upgrade because today I read the news that Google is giving away the Google Home Mini previous edition to many random users in their YouTube app or Google app or through the Google Assistant app. So if you are lucky and if you also got so if you are lucky and if you also got the notification for the Google Home Mini, do tell me in the comment section below. And apart from that, we don't know much about these new hardware devices, what they will be, because not much has been leaked. And people also don't care about these because people only want to know about the Pixel 4 and the upcoming technologies in it. So that was leaked and people were satisfied with that only. So basically that's all the things that were leaked and are rumored to come in the Google's new hardware event. And what are your views and what things are you expecting in the Google hardware event? You do tell me in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I think I should end this video now because I have to shoot something very special for the Thanksgiving weekend, as I promised a Thanksgiving vlog to you. So I should take a leave now, and I hope you like this video, and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting tech videos like this in the future also. So do subscribe this channel if you like my work and hit the bell icon also to stay updated with me and my channel. For now, goodbye guys, and I will see you all in the next one.